Hey everyone, this is Krazie Krafter Adventures. I'm gonna create another papercraft thing. I don't even know. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna decorate this composition book. It's one of those half. I kind of divided the pages because I want to do sections. So, and this is part of my March Madness papercrafting. So I'm gonna put Snoopy. I want to put him on there. So what I'm thinking is, I think I'm gonna put some kind of like this. And you know what I usually do? I get my little do. I've tried to have everything out here. Okay, so then I try to maybe put my, so it kind of doesn't, there. And then what I want to do is I'm going to do Snoopy, you guys. I love Snoopy. We're going to put it like this on there. And then I'm going to cut it off the top. I have a book because I haven't never found any Snoopy, old Snoopy. But I have a book I got from the Dollar Tree because they have Snoopy. See, the only thing about this glue is I feel it makes the paper. But if we burnish it, it won't be. Okay, so we got that. Now what we're going to do is, I've gotten some more. I haven't decided if I want to use the gingham or I think I'm going to do this. I'm going to use this one, but I got that gingham out. And I was also thinking about something like this. So I'm going to put this to the side. I'm going to put these to the side, and we're going to use this. Let's put some glue on this. We'll put it like that. I'm going to cut it. I'm just making one of these. I don't know if I'm going to sell it or if I'm going to give it to a friend of mine who I know likes Snoopy or what. And then what I want to do is, I think I'm going to, on this side, I'm going to tear some paper from this here. And it's probably about 1 inch too, also. Yeah. So, on that note, not trying to be. We're going to tear it. Using my metal. I have a tearer that makes it like, what do you want to call? Oh, excuse me. I was thinking about just leaving the black like there. I mean, we could cover it if we wanted. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to put it down on there. And, yeah, just like that. Then we're going to cut it. Like so, and we can use that. Okay, and then we're going to come back to the front of that. We're going to let all that settle in. And we're going to open this up. Oopsie. We're going to open this up. We are going to take this, and I'm going to put it on the other side of this red line. And we're going to rip it. We're going to say, what I thought was kind of cool is, I know this is like fallish, but if you notice, this is Snoopy with the, oh my gosh, I can't think of his name. Anyway, they're together creating memories. They're blessed. They're thankful. So what I want to do is I'm going to cut out this piece of paper to fit right here on there. And I think it's going to be like if I think I remember right, it's going to be, because I want to bound it right there. So that's 6 and, we'll do 6 3/4. So like 4 7/8. I hope that's going to be long enough. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's going to be long enough. Thankful. I'm going to cut this off. And I want it 4 and okay. All right. So I think I got it. All right, I got it now. There we go. Just a little bit of glue. I might just do this. Do a little boom, boom, boom. This time. And then we're just going to put this right on here. And we want it right to the edge. So just put it right to the edge, guys. Hopefully it did not. Yep, I got it right to the edge. All right. So, all right. Now, what I want to do on here, yeah. So I'm going to put one dot. A dot in the middle, maybe. I think that'll work to stay in there. And then we're going to put that in there. Now also probably do I'm going to do a little corner thing here. So there is that. there we have part of that. And then you can flip this open. And I'm gonna just pull that. And then we have that. Because I already have it cut. Got it done. And I'm gonna kind of do that. I guess I will kind of just do this. This is pretty kind of heavy cardstock. So there's that. I also thought about making some of these and selling them at my arts and crafts thing. I don't know yet. We'll see. I was trying to find old school books, which I know I have some somewhere around here. But I don't even, it's not really a cartoon, but you know what I'm saying. Good old Snoopy and Woodstock and Charlie Brown. And one thing about this glue, you can move it to make it fit. All right. So there's that. So we got that. We have this. We're gonna make a little, I don't know, something on there. We're gonna do something. And I also put, I think I'm gonna cut out this. And it says Snoopy and Woodstock are the best friends. And I think I'm going to put it up here, on here. Maybe not. Maybe we'll put it on the inside. We might do it with one of their other pictures. Some glue here. I know you're probably saying, oh, but you just put, you know, I know. But, you know, what do I know? You know what? This is how I want to design it, so I don't know. So we're just going to do it the way I want to do it. And I'm just going to put that on there like that. And then I'll probably cut the paper. And then I'm going to put this here. Put that on there. And then I think I'm my phone when I was filming on clicked off, so I didn't get to film everything, but here we are. Here's what I got so far. I put this on the front of it. Now I still want to do a belly band here. So I am going to cut this the right size. Let's say, there we go. that's good. And I'm just going to put that there. And we'll glue that in. And we're going to glue on 3 sides. Like so. And you can put something in there if you want. So you can put a little piece of paper or whatever. Okay, so we have this. I've done this. We have this. And you know, I was kind of thinking about making little tabs even. So with this here, I could actually take and probably make a little a corner. There's the front of it. And you know, I don't know, it's something cute, something different. I'll bring it up. You can still put some more embellishment. I thought that turned out really well. I just love Snoopy. Snoopy and Woodstock. Project that I did. It's a little half notebook. You can do whatever you want. To decorate it. Use it for whatever. You could put it in your purse. Take it with you. Could, you know, I don't know. Whatever you want. I think it's just a fun little thing. And sorry that I didn't get to show you the whole works on it because my phone went haywire. And I also even have this still left. Might do something else with it. I used this book, Snoopy and Woodstock, Best Friends Forever. I actually got that from the Dollar Tree a long time ago. So I don't even know if they still sell them at the Dollar Tree. I'm sure they do. Okay, but there it is. Family forever. Stay positive. Enjoy life. Sorry that it cut out and you didn't get to see all of it. But hey, there's just cutting and putting and posting. And that's it. That's all it is. Boom. Boom. All right, you guys. Family forever. Stay positive. Enjoy life. And thanks for checking out my March Madness.